Welcome to our channel 4G School, a smart way of learning through technology. My English Book 3, Revision 1 and 2. Revision 1. Look, say and add more words to each group. देखो, बोलो और हर ग्रोह के लिए मज़ीद लफ्ज़ बताओ. Parts of the body.
Parts of the body.
Hands.
Hands.
Nose.
Nose.
Head.
Head.
Eyes.
Eyes.
Ears.
Ears.
Colors.
Colors.
Red.
Red.
Green.
Green.
Yellow.
Yellow.
White.
White.
Black.
Black.
Fruits.
Fruits.
Apple.
Apple.
Orange.
Orange.
Mango.
Mango.
Papaya.
Papaya.
Grapes.
Grapes.
Vegetables.
Vegetables.
Cabbage.
Cabbage.
Brinjal.
Brinjal.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Onion.
Onion.
Peas.
Peas.
Things we use in school.
Things we use in school.
Pen.
Pen.
Pencil.
Pencil.
Book.
Book.
Notebook.
Notebook.
Eraser.
Eraser.
Things we use at home.
Things we use at home.
Cup.
Cup.
Glass.
Glass.
Bowl.
Bowl.
Spoon.
Spoon.
Dish.
Dish.
Revision 2. Look and say. देखो और दोहराओ. Bag.
Bag.
Bat.
Bat.
Boy.
Boy.
Banana.
Banana.
Cap.
Cap.
Cat.
Cat.
Clock.
Clock.
Carrot.
Carrot.
Pan.
Pan.
Parrot.
Parrot.
Pot.
Pot.
Potato.
Potato.
Table.
Table.
Tank.
Tank.
Tomato.
Tomato.
Top.
Top.
Ball.
Ball.
Cock.
Cock.
Pond.
Pond.
Tiger.
Tiger.
Find the name of the following from the chart. नीचे दी हुई मालूमात चार्ट में तलाश करो. 2 animals.
Cat. Parrot.
Parrot is not animal.
Tiger.
Very good. 2 birds.
Parrot. Cock.
Very good. 3 things you play with.
Top. Ball.
Good. 4 things we eat.
Potato. Banana.
Very good. How many 5-letter words do you see here? Name them. यहाँ तुम्हें कितने 5 हुर्फी लफ्ज़ मिले हैं? बताओ और कौन कौन से?
Clock. Table. Tiger.
Yes, very good. यहाँ तुम्हें कितने 6 हुर्फी लफ्ज़ मिले? बताओ कौन कौन से? How many 6-letter words do you see here? Name them.
Parrot. Tomato. Banana.
Very nice. So, here is the end of our revision. Hope you like the video. Please do subscribe our channel 4G School for your further videos and latest update of your new videos.